Hi, I'm Reece Dennis, a vendor specialist with the Checkpoint team here at Arrow ECS. Today, I'm going to show you how to register a deal with Checkpoint. Let's get started. First, we need to sign into Checkpoint's partner portal, Partner Map. We can do so by going to www.checkpoint.com. At the top of the page, we can see 5 different tabs. We need to go to Partners. And under Partner Portal, we click Partner Map Sign In. We are greeted by this sign-in page, and we simply enter our credentials. And here we are on Checkpoint's Partner Map home screen. Before we actually register our deal, we're going to go over the discounts that are available to a Checkpoint partner when they register a deal, as there are multiple layers to it. To find these out, we go to Sales and Knowledge, and under Incentive, we click Promotions. And this page is actually very good because it highlights all the different incentives and promotions that are available across all of Checkpoint's products and services. But for today, we're going to focus on the deal registration program. So we're going to click Learn More, just to the left here. As we scroll down this page, we're greeted with this particular chart, and it highlights the different levels of deal registration that are available to each Checkpoint partner. So we have a standard deal registration. So that's an additional 6% on top of product, services, and support, on top of your standard non-DR discounts for whichever star partner level you are. Emerging tech discounts are available for those customers that are looking to buy, for example, Checkpoint's CloudGuard or mobile endpoint. So they are able to get an additional 15% on products and services. That deal needs to be above $20,000 list price in order for those discounts to kick in. Competitive replacement or competitive displacement discounts are also available. As you can see, they're 15% on product and services on top of normal DR discounts. And these are for customers that have, for example, Paolo or Fortinet in their current security estate and are looking to move over to Checkpoint. Again, that deal needs to be above $20,000 list price. We also have a set deal registration for new customers. So those are customers that don't have any Checkpoint within their security estate at all. And that allows them to get 25% across the board. Again, that deal reg needs to be above $5,000 list price in order for those discounts to kick in. So now we know what the discounts are, let's actually register our deal. To do so, we go to Sales and Knowledge at the top here. And again, under the same incentive tab, we click Register New Deal at the bottom. We're now greeted by this screen. So we're actually able to deal reg for existing customers or new customers. If you're deal regging for an existing customer, your information that needs to be put into this form is different because there's certain elements that you're already going to know. For example, a customer's user center number. But for the purpose of this exercise, we're going to register a deal for a new customer. So we're going to click over to New Customer by doing so. And as we do, this banner pops up. So this is an incentive that's running for all new customers where they're actually eligible to get 50 CLC training credits as part of their deal reg. You can actually learn more about the information by clicking this button below. But for the purpose of this exercise, we're actually just going to dismiss this. And essentially, we just need to fill out this form. So we're going to start with the customer and reseller details. So we're going to put in our company name. We're going to select our country. In this instance being the UK. We're going to put in our reseller country name. And then we're actually going to type our reseller name. This is all stock information just to give you guys an idea of what needs to be populated. Now that's done, we need to fill in the deal details area. So we need to put in an estimated list price value. So we actually need to tell Checkpoint how much we think that this is going to be worth. So in this instance, I'm going to use an example of $20,000. We also have a box down the bottom here, which allows us to put in the Checkpoint quote ID for any bill of materials that's already been crafted for that particular opportunity. And that's basically just giving that information over to Checkpoint as well. So we can see that that bill of materials has already been created. We also then have 3 tabs along the side here. So we have the competitive replacement tick. So we can see if we tick that, we're essentially telling Checkpoint that this deal reg is competitive replacement. And we also complete that information by clicking this box here and telling Checkpoint what competitor it is that we are up against from the list here. We also have the ability to deal reg infinity deals. And we can do so by clicking this tab here. And then the deal reg then changes because infinity needs to know the number of employees. In this instance, we're going to use the standard deal reg technology type. And we're then going to populate this box here. So as we click that, we can see that there are 6 different options in there. And we're essentially telling Checkpoint through the deal reg what technology the customer is looking to buy. Is it cloud? Is it firewall? Is it endpoint? In this instance, we're going to click firewall. But these are actually stackable. So we can, for example, select another. So if we are looking at a deal that's going to have firewall in it, it's going to have mobile, it's going to have endpoint, it's going to have cloud, we're able to pass all that information over to Checkpoint. Finally, we just need to give a deal description. So what is it that we're looking at? This could be any information regarding what firewalls that they're particularly looking at, for example, 6600s, how many users there are, relevant information. Now that information is complete, we're going to click submit at the bottom. So now our deal reg has been submitted. We can see that it's now been submitted successfully by this message here. And we can also see that our DR has been given a DR ID. So that is something that it carries through its lifespan from creation to pending to approval and potentially rejection. So it means that you can actually use that deal reg ID to actually look up the deal reg with the partner portal. And it's also quite helpful for distribution because it means that we can then look them up for you as well. And that's how to register a deal with Checkpoint. If you'd like to find out any more information, please use the contact details below. Thanks for watching.